Welcome to the deep dive, where we cut through all the noise and give you those powerful, actionable insights. Today, we are taking a deep plunge into a tool it's really changing things fast, how we work, learn, create, ChatGPT. And our mission for this deep dive is pretty straightforward. Give you practical, totally beginner-friendly insights, show you just how remarkably easy it is to start using this AI tool, like in your own life, right away.
Yeah, and what's interesting is the source we're digging into today. It's actually a script from another podcast called ChatGPT for Beginners. Start using AI in 10 minutes.
Right. Specifically, their AI made simple segment. So
Yeah.
you're not just getting a summary. It's more like the distilled essence of a guide they already made, super clear and fast. We've kind of done the homework for you, pulled out the key stuff.
And honestly, for anyone feeling that, information overload today, this is super relevant. We're all trying to figure out how to handle new tech, learn faster, maybe make life a bit easier, right? So getting a clear, actionable guide to something powerful like ChatGPT, it's not just nice to have, it's becoming, kind of crucial. This deep dive is really meant to be a shortcut for you, straight to the practical stuff, minus the confusing jargon.
Okay, so let's unpack this right away. Big question a lot of people have, is ChatGPT just another Google? A different search engine? And our source material is really clear on this. No, it says it's way more.
Way more. Yeah, it's less about just finding web pages and more about interacting, like having a conversation almost.
Yeah, exactly. The source paints it as this super smart assistant.
Yeah.
That's the vibe, something that can write, explain, brainstorm, even tell jokes, which definitely feels different from just searching, almost
Sure.
magical.
Well, the core idea, the definition from the source, is it's an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. An AI chatbot, practically speaking, it means like you're messaging someone who knows tons about thousands of topics, instantly and critically replies in natural language, like a person would.
Okay, so it's not just spitting back facts it found.
No, it's generating text based on what you ask it. That's why it has these versatile capabilities the source mentions, writing emails, essays, poems.
Even code.
Even code, yeah. It's pretty broad, way beyond just finding information.
So just to make sure I'm getting this, it's really conversational. I could literally just type, say, write me a birthday message for my friend, and it'll do it.
That's exactly the kind of interaction. You tell it what you need, but the key is the prompt, your instruction.
Right, the prompt.
Yeah. So for that birthday message, the source gives a great example. Be specific, like write a funny birthday message for my best friend who loves cats and pizza.
Okay, cats and pizza. Got it.
And ChatGPT will actually weave those things in. It creates something tailored. It's not knowing, like we do, but it predicts the best words based on, tons and tons of text data it learned from.
This is where it gets really interesting, I think, especially for listeners who might feel a bit hesitant about AI, because we often think these tools must be super complex, downloads, installations, crazy settings.
Right, like you need a PhD just to open it.
Exactly. But the source really stresses how surprisingly simple it is to get started with ChatGPT.
Which, if you think about the bigger picture, that low barrier, that's huge.
Absolutely.
It's what makes widespread adoption actually possible, When powerful tech is also easy to access, that changes things. It means pretty much anyone can start playing with it, benefiting from it without needing to be a tech whiz. It sort of democratizes it.
And the source breaks it down into just 3 steps. Really simple. Step 1, you literally just go to chat.opi.com in your web browser. That's it. You'll need to make a free account. Standard stuff takes like a minute.
Okay, so just a website, no app store, no download button?
Nope. Step 2, choose your version. There's a free one, GPT 3.5, and a paid one, GPT 4.
GPT, that's the engine behind it.
Exactly. Generative pre-trained transformer. Basically, the AI model, think of 3.5 and 4 as different brains. 4 is newer, more powerful. But, and this is key, the source is the free version. It's great for learning, totally fine to start with, no need to pay.
Okay, free is always good. So website, account, pick free, then what?
Step 3, just type your prompt, whatever you want to ask or tell it to do. In the chat box, hit enter. That's really it, like sending a text message.
Oh, wait. Seriously, that's all. No complex settings, no software. I honestly thought it would be way more involved. That really simplifies things.
That's genuinely it. It's all in your browser. The source confirms no downloads needed, and you can use it on your phone too. Super accessible.
Wow. Okay, so it's easy to start, but then what can you actually do with it, like right now?
Good question. And the source gives 5 cool practical things you, the listener, can try immediately.
Yeah, this moves it from just theory to like, okay, how does this help me today? What's the actual utility here? Because that's what matters, right? Getting stuff done, learning easier.
Totally. Okay, first cool thing. Write emails. Think about that tricky email to your boss or, I don't know, a polite complaint. You can just tell it. Write a polite email to my boss about taking a sick day. Boom. Draft ready.
Huh. Okay, that could save some time and awkwardness. What else?
Second, translate text. Need a quick translation. Just type translate this sentence into Spanish or French or whatever. Done.
Instant translation. Nice.
Third, summarize articles. This one feels huge. Got a super long article. Paste it in, say, summarize this in simple terms. It boils it down for you.
Oh, that I could use. Information overload is real.
Okay, number 4.
Fourth, plan your day or your week or whatever. Ask it things like, give me a 3-day healthy meal plan or suggest an itinerary for a day trip. It'll map things out.
Meal plans, itineraries. Okay, it's like a personal assistant sometimes. And fifth, and maybe the most exciting for learners, learn anything. The example given is brilliant. Explain blockchain like I'm 12. Imagine having a tutor on call for almost any subject, breaking down complex stuff.
Okay, that's the aha moment for me. Seriously, I could just ask it to help me study, explain things I'm stuck on.
Yep, that's the idea.
Wow. That's like having a super patient study buddy who actually knows everything.
Exactly. It's like a study partner, content creator, planner, all rolled into one. And personally, I found it amazing for just brainstorming. When you're stuck, ask it for ideas. It's surprisingly good at getting you unstuck.
Okay, it's clearly powerful and easy to start. But how do you make sure you get, good results, not just random stuff?
Great point. Because just typing anything won't always cut it. It comes down to mastering the prompt, giving it the right instructions.
Right. The quality of what you put in affects the quality of what you get out. Makes sense. And I guess just saying write about marketing is probably not going to be very helpful.
Exactly. That's the first tip from the source. Be specific. Contrast. Write about marketing with write a short blog post about digital marketing trends in 2025, focusing on AI's impact for small business owners.
Yeah.
See the difference?
Yeah, okay. Way more detail. Tells it exactly what you need.
Second tip, give context. Who's this for? What tone do you want? Formal? Funny? Simple? Tell it that stuff. Is it for a kid, a colleague, a customer? Context helps it tailor the style.
Got it. Be specific, add context. Anything else?
Third tip, use follow-up questions. Don't think of it as a one-shot deal. It's a conversation. If the first answer isn't quite right, tell it. Say, make it shorter, or add some humor, or explain point 2 more. Iterate.
Ah, so you can refine it, like tweak the results.
Precisely. The source uses this fun analogy. It's like chatting with a genie. You just need to phrase your wish the right way.
Huh. A very smart genie. That doesn't live in a lamp, lives in the browser. And I guess an important point, too, while it's amazing, you still need to check its work, right?
Yeah.
Especially for facts.
Absolutely critical point. It's a tool to help you think, write, learn, not replace your own judgment. It can make mistakes. Sometimes it hallucinates or makes things up. So always review, double check important info. You're still the boss.
Right. Co-pilot, not autopilot.
Exactly. Perfect way to put it. So look, if you've been hearing about ChatGPT, feeling maybe a bit curious, but also maybe overwhelmed, hopefully this shows you the moment to just try it is right now. It's way more accessible than you might think.
Seriously, just head over to chat.openai.com.
Yep. Right after this deep dive, just start typing. Try asking it something simple like the source suggested. Give me 3 gift ideas under $20 for my sister who loves gardening. See what happens. You'll probably be genuinely surprised.
And since starting is so easy, it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What new possibilities does this open up for you? In learning something new, creating content, just organizing your thoughts or tasks, how might this simple tool actually change how you deal with information or get things done day to day? What parts of your life could use a little smart assistance? That's the really exciting question to leave you with, I think.
Definitely something to think about. Keep that question in mind. Let your curiosity guide you as you explore. We'll be back soon with another deep dive into the information that really matters. Until then, stay curious.